Hi folks! So you bought the Up2Stream Pro module and you don't know where to put it, or you don't want to tear out your sound system and build it inside, and you just want to use it like a separate device. So here is one way how. Me and my colleague, we designed this plastic box for 3D printer, and I will attach the links below in the description so you can download the files for 3D printer for free, and you can then print it yourself. So that's one solution how.